Dear students, good morning to the home mentoring session of accountancy. Myself C.S.K. Khanna from the SD Vidya School, Nambala Kent. Dear students, in the first lesson of your syllabus relating to accountancy, I had shared with you in my previous videos meaning of the concept of accounting. I had also shared with you what are the important objectives of accounting. I also shared with you what are the advantages of accounting and also share with you what are the limitations or demerits or disadvantages of accounting. Now I will share with you a very important concept which is called as the bookkeeping, accounting, accountancy. In the common words, as a layman, you may heard sometimes some words bookkeeping, accountancy, accounting, but you may think so that the meaning of all these words is same. But dear students, in order to understand clearly what these terms are there and how they differ with each other, I am here to guide you to this. Basically, there are number of terms which resembles to each other with reference to their meaning. But when we want to study any subject in a very authentic way, it is very important that we understand even the thin line of demarcation between various terms and amongst the term. One word is bookkeeping, other is accounting, other is accountancy. In my yesterday's reading class, I had explained all these three terms, but once again for your understanding, I explain all these terms. Just you go through to the definition of accounting which I share with you at the onset of starting of our syllabus. I told you what accounting is. Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpretation of the results of financial transactions. Same way here, if you go through to the complete definition, you would find that it had the four important steps. First is recording of the transactions. What bookkeeping is? Bookkeeping scope, bookkeeping area is limited only to the recording of the transactions. Under bookkeeping, what we do? Under bookkeeping, we will do only the recording of the transaction in the books of account. When we say that transactions be recorded in the books of account, the word we should use, we say that it is the bookkeeping. Again, you go through to the definition of accounting, you would find that still there are three steps left out. So, the scope of bookkeeping is limited only to the recording of which transactions? Financial transactions. I need not to again repeat the term financial transactions because at the onset I told you that our subject records only those transactions which are monetary in nature or which are of financial character or which are of money measurement character. So, bookkeeping means recording of the transactions in the books of account. Let's understand with the simple definition again of the bookkeeping in the next slide. Bookkeeping is a part of accounting and it is the process of identifying, measuring, recording and classifying the financial transactions. Now see here, it is the process of identifying, measuring and recording of the transactions. Which transactions? Financial transactions. Now come across what accounting is. Accounting remaining three steps. Which three steps left out? That is the classification of financial transactions, summarization of the financial transactions and interpretation of the results. They all are the part of accounting, or we can say where bookkeeping ends, accounting starts. Where accounting ends, auditing starts. So please understand, accounting has a wide scope as compared to the bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is limited only up to the step of recording of the transaction. Afterwards, the next three steps are completed under accounting. So please understand, accounting is a more wider term as compared to the bookkeeping. Under this, what is done? Under this, we classify the transactions, we summarize the transactions, we also interpret and whatever the result is there, that financial result is communicated to the various parties, various users who are interested in this very, very important information. Now, bookkeeping is a primary stage of accounting. Accounting is the second stage of accounting. Other important difference lies, bookkeeping is a job which is done in the routine and repetitive nature. Accounting is a highly classified area and it requires the specialized knowledge, so it is analytical in nature. So keep in mind that bookkeeping is a routine or regular task which is to be done, while the accounting is analytical in nature. Why analytical in nature? That under accounting we do classification of transactions, summarize, and we interpret the financial results to this. Then the main aim of the bookkeeping is to maintain a systematic record of business transaction, while what is the main objective of accounting is to ascertain the financial results, that is profitability, and also to know the financial position of the business. It is very, very important. Bookkeeping is generally performed by the junior staff who does not have the more specialized or special skills, while accounting is done by the specialized staff and it is done by the senior staff. Likewise, we have the other very, very important term which is called as accountancy. Whenever you talk about the name of the subject which you study, you say accountancy. In commerce, accountancy is a very important subject. But what we mean by accountancy? Accountancy is a subject, accountancy is a discipline which contains the theory and practicals relating to principles and techniques for the preparation of accounting. Please understand, when you do the accounting, you must need certain principles, certain rules and regulations, certain techniques. Without the techniques, rules and regulations, how you would classify the transactions, how you will summarize the transaction, how you would interpret the results, how you would present the financial position. So it all being done as per the certain rules and regulations. And that subject which contains all these rules and regulations on the basis of which the accounting work is done, that is known as accountancy. So accountancy is a subject which contains rules and regulations, principles, techniques, theory, practical, which helps in or which guide us for the preparation of accounting and various types of the accounting results and financial position. So I hope you would understood the meaning of the three terms: bookkeeping, accounting, and very important term accountancy as a subject. If someone asks you what is auditing, you may be also in position to understand. Auditing refers to an independent examination of books of accounts by specialized persons who are having a special knowledge in the field or in the subject of accounting. Please understand what auditing is. Auditing is financial and independent investigation or independent review of the information which is given in the books of account, and it is done by the persons who are having the specialized and the expert knowledge. So I hope now you understood all these terms and you also got the meaning and difference of all these terms. I would continue in my next video relating to the other aspects and other concepts of this lesson.